Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're recording on a GoPro my kid gave me, so hopefully this works out alright. Alright, it's going to be a cold start. We're going to see if she'll start up. Maybe we should choke it. It's not really that cold though, so I don't know. Well, let's see if she goes. First pull. She wanted to. Let me take the choke off. Alright, make sure the gas is on, yep. No smoke. Let's go for a ride. Oh. She'll let it warm up a little bit. Starts right up though. Well, there you have it. Not a lick of smoke. She's running good. Let me shut it off here. Alright guys, that's a video of it riding around. She runs really good. I gotta do something to the brakes though. I mean, they don't work at all. The wheel cylinders up front are kind of sticking, and all the pivot points on this and the cables are all, they need to be oiled up good. It needs to be moving more free, but I'll get that fixed next. That's just a little tinkering stuff. Anyways, if you guys like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.